This is Professor Christopher. In today's video, we will learn vocabulary and phrases to express anger talk. I don't believe it. What a pain. Is it possible? I could really do without it. It really gets on my nerves. I'm sick and tired of. I'm fed up with it. Damn it. Rubbish. Just you wait. Get out of my way. That's the last straw. Mind your own business. It's none of your business. Shame on you. I don't think that's very clever. I get so irritated by Tom I can't be around her. Please, I'm so mad right now I can't talk to you. Stay tuned for our next episode. Thanks for watching.